Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam Marathi. Today I have a lifestyle haul of accessories like bags, shoes, sunglasses, etc. for you guys. I recently bought a few things and I thought why not share it with you all. But before I start with the video, I want to clarify one thing. All that I have bought in this video might be expensive for some people and it might be quite affordable for some others. These are not luxury items, but these are branded items, and since these things we use more often than clothing like bag or sunglasses, we use them quite a lot of times. I prefer getting good quality items. So I usually don't buy a lot of non-branded local accessories or these kind of products like sunglasses and bags, etc. Now that being said, let's get started with the haul. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. So the first thing I bought is this bag. So it's a nice brown and black color bag and it's by the brand High Design. It is a genuine leather bag, so it is a bit expensive. But I have used High Design products earlier. I have used their wallets and the sling bag, and they really last so long. It's definitely worth it. So this one has a normal zipper chain here. It has a couple of zippers inside as well. One is here and another one here, and some pouches as well. So very spacious. I wanted something that can carry my even planner and a lot of things. I have a sling bag in black color, but it's not as big as this, so that is why I bought this. Well, there's a pouch on the back as well where you can probably keep your phone and all. So the price of this one is 6,925, but I got it on a little bit of discount, and the color combination is very classic. It's something that you can carry with all your outfits, like any color. This is a very basic color, a combination of black and brown. Looks very classy and definitely very stylish. So that is why I picked it up. Up next, I have two pairs of sunglasses from Ray-Ban, a very well-known brand for glasses, and they do come up with good quality frames and good quality glasses as such, because eyes are something you need to be careful about. If you wear very local, those non-branded glasses for a long time, it might hamper your eyes because it will not protect your eyes from the UV rays. So I got two. This is my favorite. Let me show it to you guys first. So this is how it looks. It has a blue tint to it. Let me wear it and show you guys. So this is how it looks. It actually has a blue tint to it. It has golden glasses and it's kind of shaded, which I really like, because even normally you can see the eyes peek through from the glasses. It looks really nice when the eyes are actually slightly visible from inside the glasses. I don't like completely black sunglasses always, unless it's too sunny and too harsh. Usually I like such sunglasses, and I'm really happy with this one. It looks dark, but if you go to any light, you will see that there is a little bit of bluish effect to it. And this one you can pair with almost everything. I mean, it's very casual and stylish, especially the blue color gives it a very different look. I didn't have anything in blue, so that's why I picked it up, and I really like it. It is kind of delicate, guys. This part is pretty delicate because it's very thin, but then I always take care of my things, so I don't worry too much. And this design is pretty unique because I was actually looking for a sunglass from quite a while, few months now, but I was not finding different and unique pair of sunglasses, and this is something that I found and I really liked. So this one is in the number RB3574N, and this is available for somewhere around 10,000 something, but we got a 10% off from Sunglasses Hut on both the sunglasses. We bought two and we got it for 9,000 something, within 10,000 this was. after discount. The other pair of sunglasses is worth 6990. Again, we got a 10% off on this. And that's how the case looks like. And this is how the frame looks like. So it's a basic Wayfarer in black color. So if it's really sunny and you want to wear something that totally protects your eyes and it's like full coverage for me, so it's really good to have something like this. And Wayfarers are also very stylish. You can wear them with almost everything. And this is the look. I hope both the glasses were a good choice for me. I'm not sure. Do let me know, guys, if I did spend on something that was good enough. And this one is a much more sturdy. It's not that flimsy. Both are quite lightweight. If you already have worn any Ray-Ban sunglasses, you would know that they're very lightweight and they give full protection to your eyes. So after the two sunglasses, I have one more thing left to share with you guys, which is this Catwalk sandal. I got this without any sale, but I really wish I picked it up during the sale in January, I guess, because Catwalk does have a lot of sale during January, June, that month, but I really wanted something like this, so that's why I picked it. So this one is worth 2295 and I have paid in full, and this is how they look like. I really like it. It's very simple, has these block heels, so it's not at all pointed, so it will not hurt your feet. And it does have a block heel in the front as well, so it eventually reduces the height of your heels, make it even more comfortable to wear. It's very simple. It has this black strip here and it has a very long support, simple golden buckles on the side, and it has some kind of cushion as well here. So this entire thing is quite cushiony and comfortable to wear, and that is why I chose this. I really like this pair of sandals. Looks very curly. You can basically pair this with any of your jeans, especially skirts and things like floral tops or dresses. If you remember the dress I bought during my Central haul, this is a really nice sandal to pair with that. Anything girly will look lovely with this, and even you can wear this with suits and kurtis. It will look really nice. So that was all that I got, guys, in my accessories haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Do let me know what was your favorite in the comment section below, and if you want to see more clothing and lifestyle hauls like these, then please give this video a big like so that I can know that you want to see more of such videos and I can make more of such videos for you all. So that's all for today's video. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.